Hello lovelies, it's Caitlin, oh for real, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Chances are you're probably cooped up in your house and we are all going through a really weird and rough time right now. So I figured why not decorate my tree for St. Patrick's Day. I wasn't going to because of everything that's going on, but I thought if I'm gonna be cooped up in my house, why not at least have a little bit of fun and bring some festivity inside. Here is a last look at the Valentine's Day tree. I did actually flip the M and made it a W so that it says be wine. Obviously wine was my Valentine. And now it's time for St. Patrick's Day. It's official, the Christmas tree is naked. Now let's get it drunk for St. Patrick's Day. Hello! Is there anyone out there? Too soon? I know, I'm sorry. My sense of humor is not for everybody. I am very sarcastic, like 24/7. So I definitely am trying to make light of this heavy situation that we have going on here. I definitely thought by now we would be in a zombie apocalypse fighting zombies, but no, we are fighting a virus. So to do your part, you need to stay the F home. We do not want to spread this any more than it already has. And if there's anything that we can do to prevent that, I think that we should definitely take those measures. So yes, I am making light of a heavy situation, and I personally like to make jokes because I like to laugh, things off. That's how I cope with things, and maybe it's not the healthiest way, but laughter is the best medicine. So that is why I'm just joking about it. Please don't take it to heart. I am truly sorry if you are personally affected by this. I think that everybody is affected by it in some way or another. It has changed the way we are living our lives currently. So obviously it is a very serious matter. So I'm not, trying to make a joke out of that. I just like to laugh. So if you want to laugh along with me, subscribe to my channel. Here is just a quick overview of some of the St. Patrick's Day decorations that I got. These are all from the dollar store. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use all of them. I might just save some of them for next year, but we will see. So I am going to start out with the ribbon. I have a larger one that is a wire ribbon and it's a dark green color, and then I have a smaller one that's not wire that is a light green. So I kind of just tuck that in there a little bit. You can do it however you'd like. That's the way I like to do it. And now for this one, I'm just gonna kind of put it throughout and probably cut some pieces and do them individually. Now it's time for the sunglasses. These are huge. And I have this cute necklace that has stuff on it. Alright, I think I'm gonna put these on here, but let's see what they look like. Oh my god, yes. Hell yes. That is happening. I just wonder. I have this other garland now. I'm gonna do this. I have so much stuff. And I feel like if I planned this out better, I probably would have done things a little differently, but you can kind of just rearrange it as you go. I put those two. I have these like weird little dot things that I use for a bachelorette party, and I put them in there to look like eyes. I don't know if you can see that. And here is an overview of the tree. It came out kind of cute. I feel like it looks a little bit sloppy, not gonna lie. It definitely isn't my favorite tree. It looks a little sparse to me. I feel like I could have done more. I could have gotten more decorations. So next year I'm gonna do a different plan. I also think I might actually do like a white tree because the green blends in too much. I thought it was gonna be cool, but I feel like it just blends in a little too much. But we'll see. I mean, hopefully we all survive this coronavirus and I actually make it to next year. But either way, I had fun making it, and that's all that counts and that's all that matters. It doesn't have to be perfect. And if it just brings me that little ounce of joy, that's why I do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped lighten the mood a little bit and maybe put a smile on your face, even if it was just for a split second. Every second counts right now, and just enjoy the life that we have, because I think that this really put into perspective what is important and what is not, and the things that we should value and cherish are going to be a lot different than what we may have valued or cherished even a couple days ago. And it's really scary how fast things can change, but it just goes to show you what life is really all about. So I don't want to get too heavy here, but I just want to thank you for watching this video. And this dress is falling off of me. I don't know why I'm wearing a dress, because I'm standing in front of a camera by myself, but anyway. I just also wanted to say I'm sorry for the hiatus here on my channel. I thought I was in a dark place and then coronavirus happened and I realized that things could get way worse, and that maybe I should just get the hell up and live my life, because guess what? Like, I might die someday. Like, really? You mean to tell me that gingers aren't immortal? Like, what? That doesn't even make sense. So here I am living my life, decorating my tree for St. Patrick's Day, because I am Irish, because I am Irish as fuck. Ooh, bleep that out. But I hope everyone has a good St. Patrick's Day. I just officially got Wi-Fi. I know that sounds absolutely crazy. Like, I am such a grandma. I was using mobile hotspot and it worked fine. But I decided to officially get Wi-Fi. So I am on the Wi-Fi bandwagon, can you believe it? Therefore, I will be uploading way more videos, especially because now I have no work and my life is in shambles just like the rest of us. Like, we're all going through this. So there's no pity party here. But it's just funny because the past couple weeks I was feeling a little bit down, and I really thought like I was in a dark place. Like, not to be dramatic, but like, you think you're upset or sad or depressed or whatever you're going through, and then coronavirus comes here and just like sweeps us off our feet in the worst way possible. And it makes you realize like things could get worse, and it makes you realize what's important in life and what's not. And I quickly got out of my like little depressive mood and realized how lucky and grateful I am to be alive. And so get the hell up and live your life. Like, even if we have to stay inside, you know, get a new hobby or do something that you always wanted to do, write that book you always wanted to write, or read the book that you always wanted to read, or just get creative. And it just really brings us back to like where our ancestors were. Back then, they were self-sufficient. Like, they didn't have to go to the grocery store every day because they lived off of farms and they fed themselves. And it just goes to show you that maybe we should kind of get back to that in some way or another. I don't know. I'm going to ramble on for like 20 million minutes, but anyway. So do your part by staying the F home and subscribing to my channel.